When I started out, like all of you, we've all had the same problem where your face becomes itching and just is dried out and looks like a mess. The main purpose of beard oil is to hydrate the skin underneath, and what that does is then hydrate the follicles in the hair and makes everything soft and smooth. And then the itch is finally eliminated, which is very nice, because that's the #1 problem that everyone has when they're growing a beard. All of our oils are 100% organic and natural. I wouldn't use anything on my face that I wouldn't want anybody else to use. So that's why we stick with good blends. All of our oils are sourced in the United States. They're extremely high quality. They're all handcrafted and mixed in-house. Argan, jojoba. We have a few other carrier oils, and then our essential oil blends to make the scents.
And I wanted to wait to do this review until my beard definitely needed the added control to use the butter. If I've had a recent beard trim at the barbershop, all I use daily is a little bit of oil, and that's all I need, and then you just comb it to style it. But once it gets to a point like it is right now, that it's kind of flying all over the place, and I definitely need some added control, that's when I'm going to bring in the butter, balm, wax, you know, whatever. So all I do with the dropper is, and I'm talking maybe half a dropper, is just get that in the hand, get that on your fingers, move it around. And I like to really get it close to the skin. So I'm mostly using the oil deep, deep, deep inside. I'm trying to get as close to the skin as I can. And then with what's left over, you know, just kind of use the rest to add a little bit to the ends, okay? And then from there, if all I was gonna do was that, then you just comb, but I wanna go ahead and comb it to show you how much control that butter is going to give me in a second. So, not that I am a big fan of the camera coming close in, you can see that just the oil, you know, definitely did, you know, it did some work, and the comb, of course, but you can kind of see there's flyaways, and those are going to be hard to control at this point. It's probably going to be another week or so before I get to the barber and he takes care of those little crazies. So take a look at this butter though. If you come in nice and close, man, I wanted to show you the consistency. It really is just a smooth, buttery kind of deal. And that's all I'm going to use is just about a fingertip full, okay? And then just work that onto the fingers. You can see how kind of buttery this is. You know, it doesn't take very much. And that, whether it's a balm or a butter or whatever they're calling it, that I like to mostly put on the outside. So with oil, I started kind of deep inside, close to the skin. With the butter, the product I'm using for some control, I mostly start on the outside and then work my way in. Now take a look here. Before I even get a comb onto it, and I've got some crazies, but before I even get a comb onto it, just with my hands, look how much control it already started to offer. So like I said, I was very surprised that this buttery kind of consistency product offers as much control as it does.
Wow, you guys, I really gotta say thanks to Royal Beard Club for sending me this package. So let's dive in to what they got. All right, so this is Royal Mint. This is the one I've been having my eye on, and I wanna see how this smells. This seems like I would wear this during the holidays. Wow, that's actually really nice. Wow, I don't know what I like better. I don't know if I like the mint or the pine better. So let's dive into the mint first. So I'll just give it a little bit, about 3 or 4 drops. So like I said, I'm gonna go on the left side on this one. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Man, that smells really good. Oh, I dig that. Oh, I dig that a lot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, all right. So we got mint on the left, or your right. And then on my right side, I'm gonna try the pine. Okay, and then I wanna talk to you guys about quality after this, because I can already tell this is some really good quality stuff. Okay, so we're gonna go on the right. Oh, you guys, the pine. Oh, the pine. Now see, I think I did something smart here. I went pine and mint. I tell you, it smells really good. So let's follow it up with the comb. Yeah, this is some really good stuff, you guys. This is a really good product. And earlier I was telling you guys about quality. You know, the other oils I was using before this, you could tell, like right now, like when I put my finger on it, it's very light. The oil is a very light oil. And my previous brand that I was using, I mean, you could really tell it was a really oily, thick beard oil. And that's what I was using and mainly what I was used to. But after seeing this stuff, it's very light, and I like that. I don't feel like I'm weighing myself down with product in my beard. And I really like that about this. So very good products, you guys. So right now I'm definitely digging the mint. Ooh, almost dropped that one. And the pine. But yeah, like I said, you guys, this is it's very light. It's very light oil, and I really like that. It's very good. So good job, Royal Beard Club. Well, let's cap it off here, you guys.